The discussion about India's relation with Sri Lanka and Maldives. So see how important they are in the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean has assumed a lot of importance in the last few years, and America has also called it as a area adjoining to Indian Peninsula as Indo-Pacific Ocean. Now these two places, Maldives and Sri Lanka, if you see it in the Indian Ocean, they are at such a strategic location that you have to cross these. Now these areas are also known as important sea lanes of communication. So Sri Lanka was earlier ruled by kings, monarchs, and of course certain dynasties. And during that time, if you see Tamil Nadu, which is very close to Sri Lanka, the people from there have been visiting Sri Lanka, and over a period of time they have settled in the northern area and the eastern area of Sri Lanka. And Buddhism spread in Sri Lanka during the time of Ashoka the Great. So he sent his son and his daughter to Sri Lanka with a sapling of Bodh Gaya, the tree where Gautam Buddha attained his nirvana. So a sapling of Bodh Gaya was also sent to Sri Lanka, and it is said that the Sri Lankan king that time was so impressed with Mahinda and his sister that he converted to Buddhism. That's how Buddhism spread in Sri Lanka. Now Sri Lanka has got a mixed population of Tamilians and Sinhalas, and in Tamilians also we have got Hindus and Muslims. The clashes continued. A time came when, of course, Rajiv Gandhi had an understanding. They had signed an MOU wherein they said that under special provisions of the article, they would be given the rights, but since it was not being done, the Sri Lankans were quite fed up. They wanted peace and tranquility in their own area. So we agreed that we would send in the IPKF force inside Sri Lanka to carry out actually a peace there and control the situation. However, when the LTTE went inside Sri Lanka, they met tough resistance from LTTE only, because the aim was to disarm the LTTE, which they didn't want to. So when Indian troops wanted to do that, they started fighting. So it so happened that the Tamilians were fighting the Indian army, and it was a huge guerrilla warfare. There are a lot of losses on both sides. And a time came when Sri Lanka realized that probably IPKF will not be able to achieve much. A lot of bloodshed there. And subsequently, on the request of the Sri Lankan government, we had to withdraw from there. As a result, subsequently, if you remember, because of the role of the IPKF in Sri Lanka as a part of LTTE, Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. Right? We have had, as I said, good relations with Maldives, and we have invested a lot of money in infrastructure development. We've got Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital. 25% of the teaching staff there, doctors there, are all of Indian origin. Like, as I said, engineering, technology, India-Maldives Friendship Faculty for Hospital and Tourism, and National College for Police and Law Enforcement. So these people are also trained, their own people who are doing the policing activities, and some of the security forces, they are trained in this academy, and staff is that of Indian staff. Next. Again, we've also given them a lot of money. We've given them almost $50 million defense line of credit. We've also given them $40 million of sports line of credit to improve their sports activities. As I said, cultural activities and sports, all these are very important activities, because then you see the local population understands who is doing it. So we have their goodwill as well. And now, because of the Moizu's government which has come in, China has increased its presence there. Earlier, during Abdullah Yamin's presence, there were a lot of Chinese had also come there. But after Mohammad Moizu has come in, the activity has increased further. China has invested in a project called Malé and Hulale. We will see it on these are the names of the islands. And we have always believed in whatever it is. Though presently we are not as friendly as required to be with Maldives, but we have always believed in human-centric approach, even if our relations are not very good.